Today in class, we will be learning about probability. My name is Borat. Professor Dude jumped off a bridge. Please look at page 373, which where we will be discussing random numbers. Can someone please explain what simulation and random numbers are?
I know. Pick me. I really know this one.
Fine. Square time to redeem yourself.
Okay. Simulation is when you use random numbers to approximate a real event without spending money. It saves you time and money. Random numbers are numbers that have an equally likely chance of occurring.
Whoa. Okay, so I am going to give you a problem to solve. Pythagoras, provide us with problem. Flying car. Okay, we have a pink mobile service, and one day we realized that that people who book for a car ride do not show up. So I had the brilliant idea of selling more seats than I have open to increase my profits, because 57% of my clients do not show up. Meaning, I get to keep my profit, and the people who showed up get seats. Sometimes everybody shows up, and I lose money, because I am overbooked, and I have to drive the extra people I sold to. To make sure this decision doesn't happen too much, you would want to find how many seats you can sell without being overbooked. Can someone please explain the process on how to figure this out?
Me, pick me. I know this one. I do.
Okay, square.
Ducky.
I had such high hopes. Okay, Quadratica, take it away. To the board. A quick recap on how to use the calculator functions. Okay, we are here in Calculator Land to do demo of how to get random numbers. So first you turn on calculator. Then you click Math button. You go over to PRB and you go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You click Enter button. Then you type in 1, 100. And then close parentheses. Then you click Enter and you get random integer numbers, like so. Very nice.
Go.
First, you set the rand integer. Quadratica, explain.
So to do this, you have to go to your calculator and press the math button, and then go all the way over to PRB, and then go down to the random integer, and then you're going to type in like the appropriate amount, which is usually like 1 to 100 if you're using percents. And then from there you just hit enter.
Okay, and number 2, explain what the numbers mean.
So the numbers mean from 1 to 57, that means they're no-show or they don't show up. And from 57 to 100 means they do show up.
And explain what a trial is.
So a trial is just pretty much like trying to simulate what happens and what's going to go on, and you just do it like a bunch of different times to see what the possible outcomes could be.
And 4, explain decisions and data collecting.
So you pretty much just do it a bunch of times and you record the data, and yeah.
And then compiling the answers.
So the data will pretty much show if it's going to be, you're going to make enough money or if you're not going to make enough money, and the effect if you'll have a profit or not.
Perfect! Thank you very much for that demonstration, Quadratica.
You're welcome.